I need the clippers on this shit. Everybody needs to be here, okay? Hajushi. Huh? Okay. I thought I saw something. Huh? Something. Guys? 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 Okay. Get a compilation out of this. We can upload this as 4 YouTube shorts, and then we can get a full compilation out of it, like a full video kind of vibe, you know what I mean? Oh my god, oh my god, guys. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. You get that? Okay, guys. We're doing it, guys. We're getting close. Why are you moaning? I don't know. You know the reason why I'm moaning, everybody? It's because I don't know how to be scared, okay? I can't even fake it because I don't know how! You sound more sus than scared? No, I don't. What are you fucking talking about? Oh my god. I'm so scared. What the fuck? That's how you act scared, right? I don't know. I'm still practicing, everybody. I don't know how to be scared, everybody. Somebody teach me, please. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Ah. There you go. I think I sold that one, right? Was that good? What do you think, babies? Was that good? I'm trying to be scared. I just want clips from this. Oh my god, what is that? What the fuck? This game is so mean. I'm so scared right now. That's how you sound when you're scared? Yeah. Really. It's just I don't get scared very often, so people don't really believe me, you know? Oh my god. Oh, I'm so scared. Is this the remote? Take it. Oh, hope nothing happens to me. Oh, what the fuck? Oh.